All right, this is the Grand Hyatt Hotel right here. I'm coming to the entrance. I'm gonna see about valet parking, see what parking is all about. As you can see right here, it's a nice, cool waterfall that they have going on, and a lot of greenery at the front. It looks pretty amazing from right out front. But I'm just gonna go ahead and check in and see where it's going on. You see it like that? It's a lot. It's pretty nice looking. All right, you drive up here in the valet. You see, there's a valet like right here, and then you have the check-in back there, which I'm gonna go do right here. Back and look at it, pretty amazing. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see back there. That is the ocean back there. I'm gonna tap in and try to see if you can see the ocean a little bit. See that? Kinda, sorta. See the ocean for a little bit right there? That's the ocean. All right, I did valet. As you can see, it's about 200 pesos a night, which is equivalent to $10 a night. So 200 pesos equivalent about 10 bucks a night for valet to park the car, the vehicle. If not, you can park the vehicle on the street, and they say it's about a 40% chance that is not safe. You know, it's 10 bucks a night. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do parking with valet. As you can see right there, there's cars parked in valet. They give you a ticket, and you can take it from there. I'm just gonna cruise in to show you like a little bit about the hotel. There's some rooms down that way, all right? And then there's just like the foyer where people can sit down. Bellman sitting, waiting to take your bags right there. As you can see, it's a nice open area, very, very nice. Have a great ocean breeze going on. You have the check-in, check-out right over there. People waiting for you. They actually give you some Moscow type mule drink when you come over here. It's kind of good. If you like a Moscow mule, then it's for you. All right, so I'm just gonna cruise on down. Not a lot of people in. It's kind of late. People are probably out walking around. I'm just gonna show you a couple places where you can eat. Right here is a coffee bar right here. All right, it's a good place to come at in the morning time. And then I'm not sure what this is, a summit. I guess there's some sort of summit going on this week. Right here you can get pizza. It's not open right now, and as well as a smoothie. This should be, I'm gonna check this out in the morning or later on in the evening, like when more people come back. I'm just gonna cruise on down. I'm gonna walk to the ocean. I'm gonna give you a tour of the whole place. A lot of pools around here, a lot of greenery. All right, you see those are some of the rooms that are up there. Okay, with the balcony, you can get a partial peek of the ocean with these rooms up here. All right, probably has some nice rooms besides those. But you're actually gonna pay premium to get some of the nice rooms that are directly facing the ocean. There's a nice warm breeze right here, so if you get too hot, I mean, you shouldn't sweat because the breeze is going so well. It's nice. Look at the palm trees. I don't know, I think those are palm trees or something. All right, nice greenery around here. Kind of makes me feel like I'm in a jungle or something. Pretty cool. I'm gonna walk down right here, music playing. There's some sort of bar. People starting to get juiced up early. All right, people starting to feel it. I'm starting to hear a little, whoo, yeah, all right. Like, you know, you feel that? Just gonna walk down, people eating dinner. There's a restaurant right here called Sushi in Raw. You have people like over here, you have bartenders over there smiling, the chef over there making the sushi, people having their dinner. And I'm getting closer to the pools right now. I don't know if this is a pool right here, right there, or it's just a little fountain. I'm not sure, but a couple of drinks I'll probably get in there too. You got people right here, guy blowing kisses right here. Pretty cool. All right, taking pictures. That's some sort of water wading pool. Well, these are the rooms in the back right there, facing it. All right, just gonna keep on cruising the three cabanas. Okay, you can get a cabana if the sun is out. The sun is pretty much set for the day on this part of the island. What is this over here? It's some sort of restaurant. It's called The Grill. All right, The Grill at 128. It's some sort of restaurant that they have right here. People just waiting in the pool, wading in the pool, waiting for drinks to come around. Pretty awesome. I'm just gonna cruise right here. This is the restaurant right here. Pretty nice. All right, here are the pools. Cabanas everywhere. The pools look nice. People just sitting in there. Bet the wool. Let me feel how warm somebody left their wristband in there. The water is perfect temperature, not too cold at all. Pretty cool. So this is it right here. I'm just getting a pan right here before I walk down to the beach. All right, so just gonna look at all this. This is the hotel. All right, pretty cool. All right, Look at that. There's some rooms actually up top right here. That's pretty nice. Those are probably some of the premium rooms that they have right up there. All right, a lot of pools. Sit in and get a lot of sun. Pretty cool. I'm just gonna walk down to the beach. This is a cool feature that they have right here. Just gonna walk down the steps. I bet you can get some pretty good sunrises from right out here. Pretty nice. All right, gonna walk down to the beach. And before we get to the beach, there's actually like a small boardwalk. All right, a small boardwalk with cabanas right there to protect you from the sun. And look at that. It's a tree right there. All right. So this is a small beach. It looks like some erosion or something has been happening. But there's some beach chairs. Actually, a band going to play. I'm just gonna go down there to see what they're playing over here. It looks pretty cool. Just gonna walk down here. A mariachi band, is that what they are right here? Or... Whoa, this is pretty cool. Everyone's jamming right here. Look at this. Alright, so that's the band right there playing, pretty nice. I'm gonna walk down onto the beach and show you what the beach is looking like around here. Alright, so like I said, the beach is kind of small, right? The beach is kind of small. I guess a lot of erosion has been happening. I'm not sure what's gonna go on with this, but the beach is right at the doorstep, like literally at the doorstep. You got people out here swimming, and you see if you're gonna walk the beach, you're actually walking the water, alright? Alright, kind of like, alright, look at that. Okay, that's the beach right there, so you're going to be walking the water. It's high tide, it looks like. Okay, you're going to look to the other side. Alright, you have more beach that way, other hotels. You get a beach massage right there. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that right there. You see that? It says you can get a beach massage. Pretty cool, right? You can zoom out, alright. Now, going to look around, guy selling flowers right here. This is the hotel. Alright, I'm going to show you the room in a second. Alright, look at that's the hotel. Pretty sweet. Alright, we're gonna cruise back up on so you can see it coming from a different angle, because I know you want to see what it looks like from different angles to see if this is like the hotel from you. I'm gonna walk back to the room and show you what the room looks like. I'm gonna take this path back. Alright, elevators to get to the various floors that you need to. Pretty nice design everywhere. Alright, we're gonna cruise. There is an ATM. Now the thing with ATM here, it says US dollar ATM. So if you're trying to get pesos, you're gonna run into trouble because this is a US dollar ATM. They give you US dollars. You can use US dollars throughout Playa del Carmen, Cancun area. But if you're trying to get pesos, you might want to go to an ATM, that's my suggestion, or a bank, because they kind of really get you with a high expensive exchange rate if you go to a currency exchange. So we're gonna go cruise by, walk into the rooms. Okay, a little foyer, nice design going on right here. All right, gonna walk down. Now walking to the rooms is actually kind of cool because they have like greenery hanging down. All right, the rooms all like loaded like this, pretty sweet. All right, some mariachi, another mariachi band playing down there. All right, a lot of mariachis going on around here. Mariachi band. Look at those condos over there, or hotel. They actually have a pool on their balcony, individual pool. So I'm just gonna keep on walking down, walk to the hotel room, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the hotel room. All right, to get the hotel room, there is actually on your door, once you get to your door, there is a strip right here, a metallic strip above the handle. You're gonna hold your key above that, it should unlock it. The hotel room, as you can see right here, just gonna walk in really, turn on the lights. As you look right at the front door, there is a panel for turning on the lights right here. Just see, I'm just gonna come up here and it says on all this stuff right here about, I'm gonna just go ahead and turn the entire thing on and it lights up, okay? See, so the lights are on. And I'm just gonna go through the restroom really quick, show you what the restroom looks like. You look right there, there's mirrors everywhere, vanity mirror. A little door right here that you can slide back and forth for privacy. All right, I'm just gonna walk in, and to the right, there is a shower. As you can see right here, there's a shower head right, a shower to control the showers right there, as well as there's one shower head that you can have the option of, and then there's a rainfall shower at the top. That's pretty nice. All right, so I'm just gonna walk in a little bit more. Here is the bathroom or the toilet. You see right there, there's a toilet flush button right there. Pretty spacious right here, double roll, just in case you have double the problem. All right, hopefully that won't happen. And then right here is the bathroom. There is a large mirror with 2 sinks. And then there is a closet right here where you can store items, toiletries and whatnot, clothing if you must, as well as there's another feature over here. There's a feature right here where you can actually put on makeup, a chair down there and a mirror so you can put on your makeup, get ready for whatever event you have. So let's go back out. So that's the bathroom right here. And then I'm gonna show you the main area. So here's the main area right here. Right here, there's another closet for putting things in. A lot of stuff in there. All right, mirror right there. Here is the concessions right here. You can get certain like waters, stuff like that. You gotta pay for those. And there's a coffee machine right there, all right? And then as well as a refrigerator for beverages. Let's open it up and see what beverages they have in there. All right, so we're gonna open this up. Beverages, all sorts of stuff. You can actually put some things in there to keep it cold. Doesn't keep them too cold, but it does well enough job. A lot of alcohol beverages, Gatorade, whatnot. And then there is a safe right there, the safe for keeping your valuables. As well, I told you the coffee, you have cups up here. You have a connovations, like you have cups right there for coffee, tea, whatnot, coffee, and water. I'm just gonna walk in and go ahead and have a look at the room. This is a king size bedroom right here. You see you have the bed right there, water's in there, telephone. You can actually plug in USB ports in here. It's pretty cool. All right, and a cool looking clock. That is pretty awesome. All right, so that's a king size bed. You have chairs in your table for working. And then there's also a balcony. And they have this sheer curtain right here, but there's also a thick one that blocks out the light, which you can also close if you'd like. A TV's pretty cool. You can swivel this, okay? See, that's the bed over there. As a bed over here, so you can tilt it so you can watch it while you're in the bed, and then when you're done, you can tilt it back in, fold it in. Pretty cool feature. Now let's go on the balcony, and let me show you what a lot of the rooms are like. So I'm gonna open up, go into the balcony, and it's a good sized balcony. Come out here, rest, and do whatever. And then there is, you can actually see the ocean from all of the rooms, right? Okay, so that's some greenery right there. That's the main foyer right over there. And then that is the ocean, all right? The ocean, and then you can see at the top right there, there's just some more rooms. And that's pretty much the overview of the hotel. Let me know if you have any questions. Great hotel. Thanks a lot for watching.